What's up, guys? Another box of 0506 MVP retail. I opened up this one in the last video. Tons of garbage in there. I'm not going to open that. The best cards that I got were this Orpik Game jersey, Mike Fisher gold out of 100, and a Crosby rookie card. But I will try another box here. Let's see if we can get a like a platinum parallel. That's what I'm hoping for. A nice, just give me the Crosby platinum. Like, you know, I feel like I deserve it. My wife is on the camera. She's been stuck holding that camera for the last hour, less than an hour. Not very happy. Can we get a thumbs up? Oh no, that's not good. Yeah, I know I'm in quarantine and I probably look a little messy, but we film these videos back to back to back, so don't think I'm wearing the same thing all the time, even though I am. So. All right, let's see what we can get. We got an MVP gold right off the hop. Pierre Dagenais. I think that's his name. From the Habs. So it's a gold parallel. Jane, I think you're supposed to get Jimmy Howard rookie. Mark Denny insert. I think you're only supposed to get one every 2 boxes. I could be wrong. Maybe it's one a box. Regular gold parallels, 148. So one every 2 boxes. And I got 2 in 2 boxes. Toss that there. Alright, bunch of base. Mike Richards, rookie. First pack, I got the gold. So that means I should get a platinum then, right? Right?
I don't make the rules, so.
There's a jersey in here. Scott Stevens, jersey card.
Wait. Okay.
That's actually not a bad one at all. It probably doesn't have like a high sale value, which probably a lot of the stuff doesn't. Even the Crosby that I pulled doesn't sell for that much. But Hannu Toivonen, rookie breakthroughs, has that stupid little nick on the top as well. I need to figure out which of these wrappers. Try not to make this video 15 minutes like the last one, but hey, if you like box breaks, you'll watch it, right? Right? A bunch of base cards, and then we got Elite Stempniak rookie card. I'm not giving that one a lot of airtime because he was brutal on the Leafs, and he doesn't deserve it. Let's see. This is a pack of straight up
Garbage.
Ace cards, which is known as garbage. Okay. Alexander Perezhogin again. We got him last. Actually, we might have just got his.
You didn't show this one.
Jose Theodore, all-time finalist. His beautiful hair. I don't know what his hair situation is now.
So does this Joe Sakic 19XX.
I don't know about that. Look at this shit. She's gonna cut my hair soon, so.
Stay tuned for that video.
Mario Lemieux, rising to the occasion. It's actually a nice. I remember liking these inserts back in the day. They're like sharp, you know. Now, just like my life, I might have peaked too early here because we got a gold, which we're only supposed to get one every 2 boxes. And we got our jersey. That's supposed to be 1 per box. We should still stick around because we got a Thomas Vanek rookie card. Still more than half the box left, so maybe there's some goodies in here. Ovechkin Platinum, Crosby Platinum, both. Space. You can see this big tower. If you haven't been watching, I'm gonna keep plugging it. I'm gonna have a 50 box break extravaganza where I have 50 Chris Campoli, and then you got a Patrick Roy rookie finalist. If you guys want any of these cards, I'm not giving them away, but if you want trade or buy, if you get cards to go your fantasy, let me know. Yeah, I'm gonna open up 50 hobby boxes, so that'll be fun. It'll be very time consuming and very draining. Wayne Gretzky insert. Ooh, sorry, Wayne. I didn't damage it, but you took a little bit of a fall. He's rich. He can survive. All right, here's the other half of the box. You gotta get something, right? No? A bunch of base. I just always have to use my teeth to open packs. No, I actually don't need to. Duncan Keith, rookie card. Rick Nash, rookie finalist. Again, not getting a lot of love for that. For those inserts. This one feels a little heavier. Let's see. We got a rookie breakthrough. Again, the same shit on the top. Although I kind of pushed it away. Jeff Carter. Nothing special there. No offense to Jeff Carter. Bunch of base and Hannu Toivonen. Rookie card. There we go. That's base. We got a Ryan Getzlaf rookie card, which is not a bad one. Keith Tkachuk, all-time greatest. Now he has 2 kids playing in the NHL. Got a Jaromir Jagr insert. Fall asleep yet?
No. Almost.
Just give me the Crosby Platinum. That's all. That's all we need. Jim Slater. What do we got? 4 packs. Will we get a special card? An autograph, maybe? There's autographs in this, right? I think there are. There's a thicker card in there. We got a... I don't even remember this guy. Kevin Nastyuk.
Nasty.
Is that his name? I don't know. Nasty fuck. Nastyuk? I don't know. I don't even remember him. That's brutal. Base and a Gordie Howe Mr. Hockey Monumental Moments. And the last pack. Reading anything? We have Johan Franzen rookie card. So again, nothing too spectacular. We actually had a pretty decent crop of rookies. Franzen, Nasty Fuck, Slater, Getzlaf, Toivonen. Getzlaf's good. Keith's good. Campoli not so good. Thomas Vanek. Yeah, Bergeron. Stepniak. Richards. We got like 4 or 5 decent or to good NHL players. Well, Getzlaf might be a Hall of Famer one day, but these are the hits we got. We got a Pierre Dagenet. Gold out of 100. So that's actually, again, gold. We got 2 golds, which are pretty good. You got a Scott Stevens jersey card. Now, not a bad player, actually. I want to feel the jersey again. There we go. So not too bad. Not the best, but can't complain. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.
Stay tuned for this.
Just have to get 2 more boxes. What should I get? Let me know. Follow my Instagram as well.
Or if you want to donate 2 boxes, that'd be great too.
Hey, if you want to donate 2 boxes, you know what? I'll open them up. You know? I'll do that.
He'll set up an OnlyFans account for you, no problem.
Yeah. Venmo. Go fund my boxes. Thanks for watching. These have been the MVP boxes. Stick around. And yes, once again, follow my Instagram. I'm posting nothing but hot fire cards.